Hi everybody and welcome. My name is David from the technical team at DMS. Today's video will be covering the WI irrigation meters manufactured by Apator PoWogaz. Should you have any questions at all, please feel free to get in touch with our sales team or leave us a comment in the box below and we'll respond back to you. The WI meters are used for irrigation installations, as the name suggests. This could be where the water content is not 100% clean and some sediment or dirt or particles could be present within the medium that a standard water meter just wouldn't be able to measure safely. The WI's design means that these particles do not interfere with the measuring chamber, and it allows to take semi-accurate readings of water in these installations without having to replace a meter every 5 minutes. They can be used in both horizontal and vertical installations, and also the benefit with the WI is it can be used in an incline installation, so for angled pipes. The lids of the meters are metal, which means they are protected from difficult locations where there could be sort of possible damage to the meter, where a standard plastic index may not be as safe. And they can be supplied with a pulsed output or just a standard read display, which is present on all the meters, allowing you to take a remote reading if you would prefer. And of course the standard dials are there to take a visual reading as always. The maximum temperature that these meters cover is 50 degrees C, so they are generally used on cold water installations only. And the size range is from 40mm up to 250mm, all the meters with a PN16 flanged connection, such as this model in front of me here. That's everything on the WI meter that I've got for you today. Thank you very much for watching, and please stay subscribed for all future content. We'll see you in the next video.